So here's how to use coupons on Shein. But before we start, if you're new to Shein, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get your free Shein account. After that, you can also get the Shein application. So first up, we will open the Shein app. Once you're here, you will get to see this interface. Over here, scroll down and you will get to see the items available on Shein. Choose a product and let's select Add to Cart. Here, choose the relevant variation and tap on Add to Cart. So once your item is added, just tap on the cart icon on the top. Then tap on Checkout on the bottom. After that, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you will see an option that says Apply Coupon. Tap on it. Here, you'll be able to view all the available coupons right here. And if you have a coupon that you want to type in, you can put it in the Apply Coupon section and tap on Apply. After that, you'll be able to view your discounted price and the amount of discount you received right over here. And that's it. That is exactly how to use coupons on Shein.